Hi, I'm Arunima Kumar and I'm a Kuchipudi dancer, teacher and artistic director of Arunima Kumar Dance. Well, for me personally, I think dance has a transformative power, and I'm really excited that India Global Forum holds a special day for culture, because culture is such a powerful living bridge between past and present, as well as between India and UK, and we see it all around us. We see it in our mixed identities today. So I really enjoyed the session, and for me the key takeaway was really looking back to our tradition, looking back to our heritage. And the reason I'm a full-time dancer is because I wanted my child to grow up in an environment where she knows about India. So I started an Indian dance company so that I could tell her those stories that I grew up with, show her the music and dance that I knew, and not just her, but through her I worked with around 150 children. So I think it is our responsibility as parents, as well as citizens living abroad or even in India, to really look at our past, look at our traditions, look at our heritage, and really give that legacy to our children, because that is the only way that the generations will carry it forward. There can be new ways of telling stories, and we spoke about retelling our old stories, and I think that is really powerful. I've done a lot of that because I feel that Indian dance is not stuck in the past. Even though it is a 15th century old tradition, it can be made relevant. So a Naika in a forest trying to attract the attention of a hero is quite similar today to a heroine in a pub, trying to attract the attention of, a male. So the stories are the same, because we as human beings have not changed. It is just the context is different. So it's really important for us to keep that cultural context alive and to keep our heritage alive today, even more so than ever. And I think there was a very important point about we don't need external validation. We don't need a Western validation for our Indian arts to remain. And we have so much power in our arts. The Natya Veda was created when science, technology at that time was there, but it healed people. It gave them a spiritual outlet, and I think arts have that power today. So I really enjoyed my session. I really enjoyed all the sessions today. I think it was very heartening to see Aditi also talk about classical arts, the power of classical dance, what it taught her, and how it has how it transcends time and borders. So powerful message for me, totally what I believe in. And I love the topic culture shocks, because culture does not only shock, but culture also unites. So thank you for having me. So this is, I think, my third or fourth time. I like the fact that despite the pandemic, you've continued this. So I wear two hats for India Global Forum. The first is I'm a director with Arunima Kumar Dance Company, so I wear the culture hat. The second is I'm the founder of India Young Professional Network. So we bring in people who might be relevant, who can add value, and who can also benefit from the discussions that happen here. So for me, it has always been a very, very fruitful journey to see the kind of value we can bring to the table, especially that these two countries are working so closely in partnership on all fronts. So I think for me, it is a very, very important forum that must continue. I mean, I will try my best to always expand it and extend it. I try and bring in as many people who are relevant to the discussions or new ideas. The team is fantastic. All of the team members are always open to new ideas. So I think it is a living organization. It is a thinking organization, and I think the organization, the infrastructure is fantastic. And it's now nice to meet some people who've become friends over these 3-4 years, and to meet them every year around this time, and to Manoj and to you, Tina, for organizing something so at such an extraordinary level, and something which also sets a benchmark for all other forums. So congratulations on another fantastic event.